हेलो स्टूडेंट, स्क्रीन शेयर होते करे?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, जस्ट वेट, स्क्रीन शेयर, जस्ट वेट। स्क्रीन दिसते करे? हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्क्रीन दिसते का?
नहीं सर.
जस्ट न्यू टू इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम, देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट वेट। और सर, तुमचं हे दे ना मला, हॉटस्पॉट दे ना, हॉटस्पॉट हे संपलं होतं. हा, 1 GB संपला. थोडा 1 GB हॉटस्पॉट करा चालू. नेट चालू नाही ना माझं, संपलं. 1 GB 2 GB असं पासवर्ड टाकला ना. तुला काय ओप्पो आहे का? हा, F17 फोन. किती राहतो वेळ मोबाईलचा? होईल ना? काय ना सापडा काय ना. हॅलो स्टुडंट, आवाज येतो का माझा? हॅलो हॅलो स्टुडंट, आय एम ऑडिबल नाउ? आवाज येतोय माझा आता?
Yes sir, येतोय.
Just a minute, we are starting. Just a minute. So student, in this dividing head mechanism, or called as a indexing head mechanism. We are going to study the particular part of the machining gears. Gears कसे machining करायचे आपल्याला ते या पार्ट मध्ये बघायचं आहे. So in this part we are going to understand how we are going to produce the gears. So try to understand. 1 minute. So this indexing head, or also called as the dividing head, it is a particular attachment. Particular attachment जी आपण पहिल्या प्रॅक्टिकल बघितली, जी सेपरेटली आपण वर टेबलवर ठेवली होती बघा, एका नॉर्मल टेबलवर ठेवली होती. सो दॅट अटॅचमेंट विल बी फिक्स इनस्टेड ऑफ दॅट मिलिंग व्हाईस. आपल्या मशीनवर सध्या मागच्या प्रॅक्टिकल जे बघितलं आपण, एक मिलिंग व्हाईस लावलं, त्या मिलिंग व्हाईसच्या ठिकाणी ती अटॅचमेंट कॅन बी फिक्स ऑन दॅट सरफेस टेबल. अँड दॅट इंडेक्सिंग हेड or called as dividing head, important attachment for milling machine that is used for to divide the circumference of the workpiece into equally spaced divisions when milling gear teeth. म्हणजे मला जेव्हा गिअर टीथ करायचे, लाईक स्क्वेअर मिलिंग गिअर और हेक्सागॉन और ऑक्टागॉन, सो ज्याप्रमाणे गिअर टीथ मला मशीनिंग करायचे, इन दॅट वे आय कॅन डिवाइड दॅट rotary workpiece, that circumference of workpiece I can divide into number of equally spaced, so that on that equally spaced position I can machine the particular type of gear with the help of this indexing pin. It is also used to rotate workpiece at predetermined ratio. When you have to move this workpiece at a predetermined ratio through table feed, so that can be moved in a particular manner with the help of this indexing head or dividing head. One minute, student. So this universal head or indexing head or dividing head is one of the important part of your milling attachment. So as in our previous practical, we already seen this particular setup. This type of setup we already seen your workshop. This is a sketch section view of this dividing head. So these are the indexing head. One study one by one. So this part we are studied in the first practical. Practical आपण separately index pin बघितली त्याची खाली डिटेच करून ठेवली, वेगवेगळे करून ठेवली ती बरोबर. But it is totally indexing head or called as a dividing head mechanism. So this indexing head or dividing head is mostly used for manufacturing or machining the gears. बरोबर, इक्वली स्पेसिंग मध्ये मला वर्कपीस रोटेट करायचं आहे, as well as I have to machine the spear gear spherical shape वर माझा gear जेव्हा प्रोड्यूस करायचा आहे. So that is these are the number of parts of this index head. बरोबर, index head चे part आहे dividing head चे. That is a foot stock called as a foot stock at one end. Then there is a center rest for support there. Center rest is there, and this is a headstock, just like your lathe machine headstock. So this is a headstock for mounting the workpiece while doing the gear machining. And this circular plate is called as the index plate. This circular plate is called as the index plate, and this pin is called as the index pin. So that index pin can be rotated in that center part, or center part la position la तिथं त्यांनी index plate fix केली आहे, that can be moved in that circular manner for indexing. So particularly I can index one hole at a time. So एका वेळेस मला ज्या ठिकाणी ती वर्कपीस मूवमेंट करायचं आहे, so I that move that workpiece and I can have that machining. बरोबर. So these are the index head parts are there. Swelling block, spindle is there, worm is there, direct indexing plate is there. So these are the number of parts of this index head parts. Now this is one schematic diagram of that index head part. So these are the number of parts. So this is the index plate. Or circular plate that is the index plate having number of holes. Then there is a sector arm is there. While selecting your number of particular hole, so for that there is a sector arm is there to position your index plate at particular point. So there is a sector arm at vertical side also there. Sector arm the number of, there are two sector arms are there for position your particular sector arm. Particular hole मला जेव्हा इंडेक्स करायचं तेव्हा तो सेक्टर आर्मचा यूज होतो. And there is a index pin is there. Horizontal is the pin आपण मग बघितली practical period मध्ये, that is the index pin, and that index pin is fitted in this index crank. ही जी क्रँक आहे वर्टिकली त्या क्रँक मध्ये ती इंडेक्स पिन अशी हॉरिझॉन्टली प्लेस केलेली आहे बरोबर आणि हा सर्क्युलर प्लेटला आपण इंडेक्स प्लेट म्हणतो आणि देर इज अ वर्म शाफ्ट इज देअर द इंडेक्स प्लेट वगैरे जी इंडेक्स पिन सगळी ती माउंट केली ऑन दॅट वर्म शाफ्ट इट इज माउंटेड with the this worm single head thread and with the this worm heel having that ratio 1:40 बरोबर this is your index head spindle या साइडला काय आहे there is a index head spindle is there for movement of this worm heel या worm heel चे movement साठी हा काय आहे index head spindle आहे साइडला एक साइडला so with the index head spindle we will have that movement of this worm wheel attached with this worm single thread on that worm shaft so that is your index head parts basically लक्षात घ्या महत्वाचं काय आहे ही इंडेक्स प्लेट सर्क्युलर हॅव्हिंग दिस नंबर ऑफ होल्स ॲट इट्स थिकनेस साइड देन हॅव्हिंग दिस sector arm two sector arms are there one is at here idle and one is at included in this index pin bro this horizontal is having pointed end that is index pin is there for pointing out the particular hole at a time and index pin is mounted in that index crank then this is a particular worm shaft is there mounted on this plate and that index pin attached with this index head spindle and that worm wheel arrangement. So for that there is a movement of your particular machining. So in the next part, so this is your section view of a dividing head. Particular section view is a dividing head चा काय आहे section view दाखवला आहे that is how you going to use this index pin. So at a time index pin जेव्हा use करतो मी so at a time I can pointing out for a particular hole with the help of that sector pin so that one particular hole can be slotted so that I can place that workpiece at that particular position so that particular area will be machined with the help of that machining tool on that milling machine. So these index head parts are the section view of this machine. Then another index head parts. Universal machine where there is a universal chuck is there. So there is a head stock is there. Head stock for mounting your further workpiece in that head stock part. Then index head part are there. Number of parts are there. Foot stock is there. And just index head parts are there again. That some parts are divided in. Now there are four types of indexing. These are the four types of indexing: direct indexing, simple indexing, angular indexing, and differential indexing. So means by indexing particular point, I can index the particular gear. So these are the four parts of indexing: direct indexing, simple indexing, angular, and differential indexing. So these are the four parts of indexing so that we can index one particular indexing mechanism for managing of gears on that milling machine. बरोबर गिअर मॅनेजिंग करताना कुठल्या ठिकाणी मला त्या सर्कम्फरन्शियल गिअर ब्लँक वर कुठल्या ठिकाणी मशीनिंग करायचं कुठल्या ठिकाणी नाही करायचं बाय सिलेक्टिंग दिस फोर टाइप ऑफ वन ऑफ द फोर टाइप्स ऑफ मेथड फॉर गिअर मॅनेजिंग. सो दिस इज डायरेक्ट इंडेक्सिंग. फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ डायरेक्ट इंडेक्सिंग मेथड. दॅट डायरेक्ट इंडेक्सिंग मेथड मध्ये काय करतो आपण that simplest form of indexing, that is direct indexing, it is performed by disengaging worm shaft from worm wheel by means of eccentric device in dividing head. Spring loaded tongue lock engages number of slots in index plate used for quick indexing of workpiece when cutting flutes, hexagons, squares, etc. So that is your direct type of indexing, one of the simplest form. So the direct indexing plate usually contains three sets of hole circles. The index plate आपण hole circle plate बघितलं होतं ना. So these are the three sets of hole circles on that direct indexing plate. There are 24 holes, 30 holes, and 36 holes. These are the three sets of holes: 24, 30, and 36 in that particularly direct indexing division. 24, 30, and 36. This like this: 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So that is 24 number of holes in one plate, 30 holes in another plate, and 36. So in that way, in that one single plate, these are the number of holes on that circumferential part of that direct indexing plate. So next is the example of this direct indexing. बरोबर आपण we'll have one more lecture on this indexing part in the next time, so that we can have this particular examples of direct indexing and how we are going to select this particular indexing. So this is one of the example of direct indexing. What direct indexing is necessary to mill 8 flutes on a reamer blank, or 8 flutes on a reamer blank or machining करायचे आहे. So in that way I can select that 8 number of holes. 8 number चे hole that I have to select with that indexing pin. So index pin is never count the hole or slot in which the indexing pin is engaged. So that is your direct indexing. आपण डिटेल मध्ये ते पुढच्या लेक्चरला बघणारच आहोत. that numericals कशा प्रकारे सॉल्व्ह करायचे तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये. So milling a square with direct indexing. आपण milling करताना we can have that particular shape as per your drawing. Either you can milling a square shape, either you can milling a V shape, either we can milling a as per our required shape. So disengage worm and worm shaft by turning worm disengaging shaft lever. If dividing head is so equipped, then adjust that plunger by adding index plate into the 24 hole circle or slot. Then mount workpiece in dividing head, check or between centers, and mount cutter height and cutter first side. बरोबर, आपण डिटेल शिकताना आपण इंडेक्सिंग बघू कसं सगळ्याचं करायचं आपल्याला ऍक्च्युअल मध्ये. So this is direct indexing, and then another part is called as a simple indexing. So ज्याप्रमाणे डायरेक्ट इंडेक्सिंग मध्ये बघितलं आपण 24, 30 and किती होल्स होते ते. Just a minute, again we can revise that. In your direct indexing there are 3 types of holes: 24 holes, 30 holes and 36 holes on that index plate. But in your simple indexing, further आपला simple indexing बघायचं ते, that simple indexing is having the 40 teeth on worm wheel, or that is 1:40 ratio only on that simple indexing. That work position by means of a crank, index plate and sector arm in that simple indexing called as a having gear teeth ratio of 40:1, bro, because that worm wheel is having 40 teeth on its circumference. That is your simple indexing. So while calculating the indexing, calculating the indexing or number of turns of crank for most division, simply divide by 40, as there are 40 holes on that mechanism. So that is your, just wait student, just wait. ऑफिस मध्ये विद्यार्थी सर्टिफिकेट जमा करायचे मोर सर पुढे पण ऑफिस मध्ये विद्यार्थी सर्टिफिकेट दे ना, मला फोन कर वाटलं ते कोणाला आणि सांभाळून द्यायची ना, जेवढं सांगितलं घरी काय काय आणले ते आणले दोन मला द्यायचे बरोबर ना, सांगितलं सांगितलं सर्टिफिकेट ड्रॉइंग समजायचं बरोबर ना, आधार कार्ड ठीक. विद्यार्थी संघ आठवण विद्यार्थी सर देऊन येतो. विद्यार्थी सर कोळीकर सरने पाठवलं म्हणा, तुझं नाव सांग आणि मी तुझं सांगितलं काल डॉक्युमेंट घ्यायचे राहिले म्हणा. विद्यार्थी सर ऑफिस मध्ये पहिल्या साईडला बसतो बघ इनिशियली, बरं आतमध्ये नाही बसत, काउंटरला बसवा हो, सुरुवात खिडकीतून बघ दोन खिडकी बोलतात ते विद्यार्थी सर. बरं hello student. So this is a one part of a simple indexing. In that you can calculate the indexing or number of turns by simple calculation of 40 divided by n, as there are 40 divisions. So number of divisions to be cut can be calculated in that simple indexing by indexing is equal to 40 upon n, that is the number of divisions. n is the number of divisions. किती कट करायचे डिव्हिजन तुम्हाला त्याप्रमाणे you can have that formula 40 divided by n. So simple indexing आहे जेव्हा मला 8 कट करायचे, 8 number of divisions, then 40 divided by 8, so 5 full turns of index crank. इंडेक्स क्रँकचे मला 5 फुल टर्न्स घ्यावं लागेल, इंडेक्स प्लेटचे मला 5 फुल टर्न्स घ्यावं लागणार क्रँकचे जेव्हा रोटेशन करताना. सपोज द इंडेक्स रिक्वायर्ड टू 7 फ्लूट, मला 7 फ्लूट करायचे आहे. सो 40 डिवाइड बाय 7, that is comes to 5 into 5 by 7. So 5 into 5 by 7 turns of index crank. So in that way we can have that index crank, simple indexing. Then index plate at sector arm. What is that sector arm? आपण बघितलं मग ड्रॉइंग मध्ये. That index plate is a circular plate provided with a series of equally spaced holes. The number of holes असतात, they are equally spaced holes with which index crank pin engages. त्याच्याबरोबर index crank pin can be engaged. So sector arm is the feet on front of plate and may be set to any portion of the complete turn. So that is the sector arm is there for फिक्सिंग दॅट पर्टिक्युलर होल. सो फिट ऑन फ्रंट ऑफ प्लेट. बरोबर, प्लेटच्या फ्रंट साइडला असतं ते सेक्टर आर्म and be set to any portion of the complete turn. बरोबर, रोटेटिंग करून आपण ते त्या होलच्या कुठल्या पण पोझिशनला आपण ते सेक्टर आर्म कॅन बी पोझिशन. सो फिनिशिंग इंडेक्सिंग फॉर 7 फूट. सपोज 7 फूट करताना मला अशा प्रकारचं सिंपल इंडेक्सिंग आपण बघत होतो. That part we will study in detail in next lecture. Today we must understand what is that indexing exactly. So cutting 7 foot, करताना अशा प्रकारे one by one we have to go the number of steps so that you can indexing the particular 7 flutes on that circumference of the gear. So then after that direct indexing, there is simple indexing, and third type of indexing is called as a angular indexing. This is the third kind of indexing called as a angular indexing. Setup for simple indexing may be used. That same setup of simple indexing can be used for this angular indexing also. So angular indexing, that indexing formula is 45 divided by n, 9. So 45 divided by 9 number of holes, suppose 9 number of indexing, so that is 5 complete turns of that indexing crank. Then calculate indexing for 60 degrees, suppose. So 60 divided by 9, that will be the number of turns of that indexing crank. Then again there is a further calculation in that angular indexing. Then there is a fourth method. बरोबर, 3 मेथड आपण बघितलं आतापर्यंत. डायरेक्ट इंडेक्सिंग, इट इज वन ऑफ द सिंपल मेथड. Then second is simple indexing. Third आता बघितले आपण angular indexing, and there is fourth method of indexing, that is called as the differential method of indexing. So differential method of indexing is one of the further advancement of in that indexing method. So that differential method, we can have this number of parts, means at a time on this differential method indexing we can have that particular arrangement of indexing plate and indexing. So this is the method of calculating the change gears. ज्याप्रमाणे सिंपली आपण 40 by n करत होतो किंवा 45 by n करत होतो, त्याप्रमाणे डिफरन्शियल इंडेक्सिंग मध्ये देयर इज फर्दर मोर कॅल्क्युलेशन्स फॉर कॅल्क्युलेटिंग द नंबर ऑफ डिव्हिजन्स ऑफ दॅट गियर. सो इन दॅट वे we can have that simple gear, simple indexing, or we can have that compound indexing method for gear mechanism. So in that way आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरला अशा प्रकारचा प्रॉब्लेम घ्यायचा आपल्याला. when I do use this dividing head, number of holes दिलेले आहे. So calculating the indexing and change gears required for 57 divisions. So त्याचा nearby part काय, nearby number काय, 57 च्या number of holes is the 56 holes. So in that way we can have that number of plate. बरोबर, प्लेट 1 2 3 प्लेट मधली कुठली प्लेट आपल्याला यूज करायची, अशा प्रकारे आपण यूज करू शकतो ते इंडेक्सिंग मेकॅनिझम फॉर पर्टिक्युलरली इंडेक्सिंग ऑफ द 57 number of division. So in that way you can have this calculation. हा calculation part आपल्याला महत्त्वाचा पार्ट आहे, because in your offline question paper that type of question is asked for 4 or 8 marks. So then the further there are wide range of dividing head. So this is your particularly dividing head mechanism. So this is a large index plate is there, B is the crank is there, crank pin is there, crank. C is the small index plate. There is a number of index plate is there, small index plate and large index plate. This is the large index plate, bigger side, and there is one more attachment is there, small index plate at here. Then so this is called as a gear housing of that milling mechanism. Dividing head जेव्हा आपण फिक्स करतो त्या dividing head is specially used for managing the gears. मिलिंग मशीन जेव्हा गियर मॅनेजिंग करायचं, बरोबर, आपण बघितलं चौथे प्रॅक्टिकलचे. युअर फोर्थ प्रॅक्टिकल, ॲज पर युअर प्रॅक्टिकल लिस्ट, युअर फोर्थ प्रॅक्टिकल इज टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन दिस डिवाइडिंग हेड मेकॅनिझम. सो स्टुडंट, थोड्या वेळ लेक्चर कट होईल, सो ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. बरोबर, जस्ट रिमेनिंग टाइम इज ओनली 9 to 10 minutes. विल सी ओनली अप टू दिस पार्ट, कारण ऑलरेडी ड्यू टू सम इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम माय today's net is already completed. Okay, so just try to understand this part. So this is your dividing head mechanism, or called as a universal dividing head, or that is a indexing head. So indexing of our divisions. So in that way we can have this calculationचा part आपल्याला पुढच्या लेक्चर शिकायचं आहे, कशा प्रकारे आपण इंडेक्सिंग हेड करतो. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ particular type of dividing head. Dividing head is completely used for indexing हेड आर कॉल्ड एज अ गियर मॅनेजमेंट. बरोबर, गियर तयार करताना आपल्याला अशा प्रकारचं इंडेक्सिंग हेड वापरतो आपण. सो just a minute, we'll go to that first drawing so that you can understand what is that exactly dividing head or called as a indexing head. These are the four methods: direct indexing, simple indexing, angular indexing, and fourth is the differential indexing. These are the four methods of indexing. So this is your index head number of parts. This is cross section of that dividing head. So this is index head parts. Index head is a part of simple is बाजूला pin होते आपण मागे बघितले. And this is your index head parts. So these are in that way. These are the number of parts of this your index head mechanism. Foot stock is there, center rest is there, head stock is there, and this completely attachment is called as a indexing head mechanism or called as a dividing head mechanism. So indexing head or called as a dividing head. Now just I can stop this screen sharing so that 1 minute in the remaining part we will actually see also that in our workshop also ला आपल्याकडे जे मशीन ऍक्च्युअल मशीन ते बाजूला ठेवले आहे बरोबर इंडेक्सिंग हेड और कॉल्ड डिवाइडिंग हेड ते आपण इथं बघू. जस्ट वेट, आय एम जस्ट नोटिंग इट हियर. गो टू द वर्कशॉप also actually. Just a minute. इंडेक्सिंग ची कॅल्क्युलेशन कशा प्रकारे करायची ते पुढच्या लेक्चरला बघू आपण. So that you can understand that particular part of that indexing. So student, this is important part of your syllabus. कारण प्रिव्हियसली तुमच्या एक्झामला क्वेश्चन असायचे अशा प्रकारचे in your exams, that how you can index the particular parts. So before concluding lecture, so is there any problem? अजून आज फक्त आपण बेसिक बघितलं कशा प्रकारे सिंपल इंडेक्सिंग असतं. पुढच्या लेक्चरला आपण प्रॉब्लेम बघू. ऍक्च्युअली सिंपल इंडेक्सिंग कशा प्रकारे करायचं आहे किंवा that direct indexing कशा प्रकारे करायचं आहे त्याचे सिंपल प्रॉब्लेम बघू. सो दॅट वी कॅन कम्प्लीट द इंडेक्सिंग पार्ट. इज इट क्लियर स्टुडंट्स? इज देयर एनी क्वेश्चन? Next one, student, lecture टाइम संपला तर कट करायचं आहे प्लीज. बिकॉज ऑफ द सम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आय कुड नॉट कंटिन्यू. इथे अजित पटेल सरांची सही अजून एक त्यानंतर अजून माझी सही. इथं नसलं तर तरी डिपार्टमेंट असेल कुठेतरी. So student, this is one of the important part of your indexing mechanism called as the indexing head or index part. पुढच्या लेक्चरला आपण त्याच्यावरचे प्रॉब्लेम बघूया, डिटेल आपण त्याच्यावरचे प्रॉब्लेम शिकूया, बिकॉज दॅट प्रॉब्लेम्स आर इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट ऑफ युअर मिलिंग मशीन. बरोबर, मिलिंग मशीनचा महत्त्वाचा पार्ट आहे. तर मिलिंगवर आपण सगळ्यात जास्त प्रॅक्टिस बघितलं साधं, आपण सिम्पली आपण प्लेन टाइप ऑफ मिलिंगवर स्लॅब मिलिंग करतो, त्याप्रमाणे सर्क्युलर ब्लँकवर गिअर कशा प्रकारे तयार करायचे, दॅट पार्ट कॅन बी स्टडी इन दॅट नेक्स्ट पार्ट. बरोबर, आपण आता थोडक्यात बघितलं दॅट डिवायडिंग हेड इज यूज फॉर पर्टिक्युलरली मशीन द गिअर ब्लँक्स. बरोबर, गिअर ब्लँक मला मशीनिंग करताना dividing head mechanism वापरला जातो. dividing head are called as the indexing mechanism, and with that indexing type there are 4 types of indexing: direct indexing, simple indexing, angular indexing and differential indexing. बरोबर, आपण थोडक्यात बघितलं ते. पुढच्या लेक्चरला ऍक्च्युअली इंडेक्सिंग कसं करायचं ते न्यूमेरिकल मध्ये बघू डायरेक्टली आपण, so that we can complete the milling part. तर विचारायचं स्टुडंट, इज देयर एनी क्वेश्चन? Is there any question, student? You can ask if there is any question.